Hey there! Let's make some ice cream with the Dash My Mug ice cream maker. To start, you'll want to place your My Mug cooling bowl in the freezer upright and leave it there for at least 24 hours before you make ice cream. Make sure your freezer is set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, otherwise the bowl won't be cold enough when it's time to get mixing. While your cooling bowl is freezing, prepare your ice cream mixture. The My Mug ice cream maker can hold up to 1 cup of liquid, so don't make more than 1 cup unless you're saving some for another mix. Then, chill your mixture for at least 2 hours or overnight. Only use chilled ingredients in the My Mug. Remove the mug from the freezer only just prior to making ice cream. The mug is most effective within the first 20 minutes after leaving the freezer. With the motor and stirring paddle attached, place the lid onto the mug and plug it in. Press the power button and the paddle will begin to churn. Now take your ice cream mixture and pour it into the maker through the ingredient chute in the lid. After 15 minutes of churning, it's time to add your mix-ins through the ingredient chute. You'll know when your ice cream is done when it starts to freeze to the walls of the mug. If you want a thicker consistency, put your ice cream back in the freezer to chill again before enjoying. When your ice cream is done churning, press the power button to power off the motor and remove the lid. Now enjoy your ice cream straight out of the mug. All accessories detach and store neatly inside the My Mug. For simple storage, flip the motor upside down into the mug. After that, you're all set. Enjoy your ice cream.